Any woodland has potential for bats, no matter the size. This video gives general advice in managing your woodland for bats. Woodland is a great source of insect food, roosting features and shelter for bats. An ancient, semi-natural woodland is especially important. Ponds, rivers, streams and wet habitats are also important as a source of water and insects. Natural reserves and buffers. Natural reserves are woodland trees mostly left alone, as they are most likely to contain bat roosts. Buffers are trees next to the natural reserves that should also be left alone. Stands of natural reserve trees should be connected using networks of trees following boundaries and natural features such as streams, with a variety of species. Natural reserve trees can be linked to hedgerows for extra connectivity. Aim to set aside 5% of the woodland as natural reserve. Of course, other trees with known bat roosts should be protected wherever they occur. Ponds. Ponds located within 1 kilometre of existing woodland habitats are likely to be discovered quickly by lots of commuting bats. If ponds are suitable, numerous species of bats will exploit the insects and drinking water they offer. Woodland ponds should be shaded by adjacent trees to provide cover for bats to forage and drink, but there should also be some open pond margins available to provide approach routes for larger, less manoeuvrable bat species. Other management considerations. Despite being beneficial for herbaceous plants and other species, coppicing temporarily removes tree cover and tends to be unfavourable to woodland bat species. It should only be considered where it has been a historic method of management. Wet woodland should be sustained. This habitat supports a particularly high insect diversity and is very important foraging ground for many bats. Avoid drainage, maintain water quality and do not remove trees. Actively manage woodlands to diversify structure, age and species of trees. Dead wood supports a large number of insects. Dead trees and branches should be left where they are, and standing dead trees are great as food sources for insects and as potential roost sites. Maintain woodland clearings and rides to maximise insect diversity and to provide foraging areas for bats that prefer to feed in open spaces. Diverse woodland edges and bays provide shelter, increased insect concentrations, and a variety of vegetation types. Edges are very important for both woodland bat species and open area bat species. Woodland rides, clearings and edges are particularly good places to increase roosting opportunities by installing bat boxes.